If your Shark Air Purifier displays 0, it means the air quality sensor isn't detecting data. This is often due to calibration drift, obstructions like dust or humidity, or software glitches. The primary fix is a sensor reset. First, power off the unit and unplug it for 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in while holding the reset button, often the power button, for 10 to 15 seconds. For Wi-Fi models, use the sensor calibration feature in the Shark Clean app. This recalibrates the sensor, addressing most false zero readings. Post-reset, observe if readings normalize, indicating successful sensor refresh. To prevent future stuck-on-zero errors, regularly clean the sensor grill with a soft brush or vacuum to remove dust and debris. Replace the pre-filter every 3 to 6 months. Ensure the purifier is in a well-ventilated area. For app-connected devices, use the sensor calibration feature periodically to maintain accurate readings. In humid environments, relocate the unit if the issue persists. If resets and cleaning don't resolve the problem, contact Shark Ninja support for recalibration or replacement under warranty. Staying proactive with maintenance minimizes sensor strain and ensures consistent, accurate air quality monitoring.